Good morning, students. Already we discussed previous class how to calculate the molecular weights of compounds. Today again we discuss about how to calculate the molecular weights of compounds. Some more examples. Example is H2SO4. This is called as sulfuric acid. How to calculate the sulfuric acid molecular weights followed by the 5 steps. Step 1. Identify the different elements present in the compound. Now take this one, H2SO4. How many different elements is there? One hydrogen, one sulfur, oxygen. Hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. These three are different elements. Step 1 over. Next coming to step 2. Identify the different elements, how many times repeated in the compound. Step 2. Take H2SO4. Here hydrogen is there, sulfur is there, oxygen is there. How many times hydrogen repeated in this compound? 2 times. 2 hydrogens. How many times sulfur repeated? 1 time. 1 sulfur. How many times oxygen repeated? 4 times. Next, step 3. Write the atomic weight of each element present in the compound. Write the atomic weight of each element present in the compound. Now observe hydrogens, sulfur, oxygen. Oxygen atomic weight how much? 16. Sulfur atomic weight is 32. Hydrogen atomic weight is 1. Next, step 4. Multiply the atomic weight of each element with its number. Multiply the atomic weight of each element with its number. Now observe, two hydrogens, one sulfur, four oxygens. Hydrogen atomic weight is 1. How many times hydrogen repeated? 2 times. That's why 1 into 2. 2. Sulfur atomic weight is 32. How many times repeated? 1 time. 32. Oxygen atomic weight is 16. How many times repeated? 4 times. 16 into 4? 64. Next, step 5. Add sum of atomic weights of all elements present in the compound. Hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen. One into two. 32 into 1, 32. 16 into 4, 64. Add sum of all elements present in the compound. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 3 plus 6, 98. So this is the molecular weight of sulfuric acid. Molecular weight of H2SO4 is 98. Take another example. Nitric acid. So what is the molecular weight of nitric acid? Already we know the steps one by one. Step 1. We can identify the different elements present in the compound. In nitric acid, different elements is there. One hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. These three different elements present in the nitric acid. Step 2. What is the step 2? Already we know that each element how many times repeated in the compound. Here observe, how many hydrogens is there? One hydrogen. Next, how many nitrogens repeated? Only one time repeated. How many oxygens is there? 3. That's why 3 times repeated. 3 oxygen. Next, step 3. What is the step 3? Write the atomic weight of each element. Hydrogen atomic weight is 1. Nitrogen atomic weight is 14. Oxygen atomic weight is 16. Step 3 over. Next, step 4. What is step 4? Atomic weight of each element multiply with its number. We get total weights of each element. How many times repeated? 1 time. Let's say 1 into 1 equal to 1. Nitrogen atomic weight multiply with its number. 40 into 1, 40. Oxygen atomic weight multiply with its number. 16 into 3, 48. Next, step 5 was add sum of all atomic weights of elements present in the compound. So now add sum of all elements atomic weights, we get molecular weight of nitric acid. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 8, 3. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 63. Molecular weight of HNO3 is 63. Take another example. Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate molecular weight calculated by the given steps. Step 1. Step 1 is identify the different elements present in the compound. Sodium, carbon, oxygen. These three are different elements in the sodium carbonate. Next, step 2 what? How many times each element repeated in the compound? First one, sodium, carbon, oxygen. How many times sodium repeated? There are 2 times. Carbon how many times repeated? 1 time. Oxygen how many times repeated? 3 times. Step 2 over. Next coming to step 3. Step 3 tells about the write the atomic weight of each element. Sodium, carbon, oxygen. Sodium atomic weight is 23. Carbon atomic weight is 12. Oxygen atomic weight is 60. Step 3 over. Next coming to step 4. Step 4 means atomic weight of each element multiplied with its number. We get atomic weight of each element. 2 into 23, 46. 1 carbon. 1 into 12, 12. 3 into 16, 48. This is atomic weight of sodium, this is atomic weight of carbon, this is atomic weight of oxygen. Atomic weights multiply with its number. We get total atomic weight of each element. Next, last one is step 5. Sum of atomic weights of elements. Sodium 46, 1 carbon, 12, 3 oxygens, 48. Total is 10, 16. 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. 106. Next, take carbon dioxide. Another example. Step 1. Identify the different elements present in the compound. Carbon, oxygen. 1 carbon, oxygen. Next, step 2. How many times each element repeated in the compound? Carbon 1 time repeated. Oxygen 2 times repeated. Step 3. What is the step 3? Write the atomic weight of each element. Carbon atomic weight is 12. Oxygen atomic weight is 16. Next, step 4. What is the test? Step 4. Atomic weight of each element multiply with its number. 1 carbon. 12 into 1. 12. Oxygen atomic is 16. This atomic weight multiply with its number. We get 32. Step 5 is sum of atomic weights of all elements present in the compound. 1 carbon, 12. 2 oxygens, 32. Total 44. Molecular weight of carbon dioxide is 44.